Samir, a weary traveler with a kind heart and a curiosity that often led him into peril, listened to the villagers with half an ear, more focused on finding a place to offer his nightly prayers. His eyes, drawn to the silhouette of the masjid, reflected a deep-seated sorrow for the neglected house of Allah. Samir approached the masjid, feeling the weight of its silence. Ignoring the villagers' warnings, he entered, determined to fill the sacred space with the call to prayer.
This place deserves to hear the Adhan once more,
he murmured to himself, stepping onto the worn prayer mat. As Samir began the Adhan, his voice resonated with devotion. Yet, as he reached Hayya ala Salah, a chilling echo reverberated throughout the room, a distorted voice mimicking his call. The air turned thick and the shadows twisted into serpentine shapes, creeping towards him with malevolent intent. Samir felt an invisible force pressing against him, the temperature dropping sharply. The villagers outside watched in horror as the masjid's lights flickered erratically, a sign of the unseen struggle within. Silence fell abruptly, leaving them in fearful anticipation. The villagers approached cautiously, finding only Samir's shoes left at the entrance, a poignant reminder of his presence. The wind carried the faint, haunting melody of an unfinished adhan, whispering through the masjid as though keeping Samir's spirit alive within its walls. The villagers speak of Samir with reverence, a traveler whose faith brought him to the brink of the supernatural. The story of his encounter spreads, a cautionary tale of the mysteries that lie beyond human understanding, hidden within the desert sands.